Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of It's All Food. Today I will be sharing with you my own special way of making the Nigerian beans and plantain. So now let's get started. Here are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. I will be using the black eye beans, some Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, salt, crayfish, fish, and palm oil. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Guys, I already have my pot of water on the heat. Now let's check on that. My water is already boiling. So I'm just going to add in some salt into the boiling water. Then I'll pour in my beans. I've rinsed the beans, that's why there's water in it. So I'm just going to cover that to boil for 15 minutes. Then I will be taking down the pot to drain out the dirty water from the beans. Now in another place, place a pan on the heat. Then add in some oil. Leave to hot and add in your fish. Now while the fish is frying, I will start by blending my pepper, onion, and some of the crayfish. Now let's check on our beans. You can see the water is very dark and dirty, so we won't be needing that. I'm just going to drain that out. Then rinse the beans thoroughly with warm water. Then add a little water into the pot and place it on the heat. Season it with salt. Add in your onion. Then you cover to cook. Now my fish is perfectly dry. Then I'll just take that off the heat. Now I will be placing my pan of palm oil on the heat. I'll just leave that to bleach before adding my onion. Right now I'm just going to pour in my pepper mix into the beans pot. Add in some water if needed. Then cover to cook. Now I've added my onion into the palm oil. I always do that outside my kitchen because I don't want the smoke all over my kitchen. So season it with salt, give it a good mix, and leave to fry. So as you can see, my onion is almost dry. At this stage, I like to add in my crayfish with the onion. I'm just going to fry that together with the onion because I love the taste from the both fries, the crayfish and the onion, the aroma and the taste they give the beans. It's amazing. So right now my onion is perfectly dry and this is how I like it. So I'm just going to pour that into the beans. Just look at the way it's boiling. And in a way, it's also frying that pepper right on top the beans. So right now, I'm just going to give that a good mix to combine. Do not forget what your beans need to be the special Nigerian beans. It's plenty of onion. You need onion to enjoy a sumptuous and special Nigerian beans. So right now I'm just going to add in my fish. So I'll just press down the fish. It feels like my beans need some salt, so I'm just adding in a little salt. Then I'll just cover for 5 minutes. Then our beans is ready. Please be generous with your salt because you don't want your beans to be salty. So right now I am going to be frying my plantain. So my oil is already hot. I'm just adding in the plantain to fry. So we're just going to leave this to fry, then flip the other side. Guys, look at my beans. A perfect Nigerian beans. Looking at it, you would think I added some tomatoes. There is no tomato included. It's just onion. Because when you have plenty of onion in your beans is going to look exactly like this. The special Nigerian beans. So right now I'm just going to flip the other side of my plantain and fry until it's golden brown. Then our plantain is ready. You can see that beautiful color of the plantain. So it's ready. Just going to take that out and dish my beans. So my beans and plantain is all ready. Come join me to enjoy this perfect dish. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each time I post a new video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks for your support. And thanks for watching.